Homegirl, do you want to know how to get your Instagram popping? When I say popping, I mean severely popping. I mean everybody liking, everybody commenting. You got hella followers now. You need to continue to watch this video because that's all I'm going to be giving it to you. I'm about to give you the tea, sis. Like, you want the tea? I got the tea for you. Just sip and watch. Just sip.
Came through drift, came through drift. Diamonds on my wrist, they drip.
Give me a little something to remember. Tryna make love in a sprinter. Bitches drop a nigga like Kimber. Looking like a right swipe on Tinder. Shit on these hoes. Let up my wrist on these hoes.
Hi my beautiful people, it's your girl AshaKosh and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Asha. Some people call me Asha, some people call me Kosh, or some people put it together and call me AshaKosh, whatever you prefer. With that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you're notified every time your girl makes a post. Now let's get into the video. Alrighty you guys, so I gained 10K followers in less than a month on Instagram, and I want to show you guys and tell you guys my tips and tricks on how to grow your Instagram accounts, because I know some of you guys want to be influencers, or you guys want to start an online business and you want to have an influence so that you can promote your business to multiple people and get multiple people onto your business. So these are my tips and tricks on how to grow your Instagram. It's all about doing your research and knowing the algorithm. That is one big thing that I really studied all 2019, and I'm still watching videos like this about how to grow your Instagram, and I definitely know it works. Just like anything, it takes consistency and time to have anything grow. So if you're not willing to put in the work to make your Instagram grow, then it's not gonna grow. If you're not gonna take the time to post every other day, then your Instagram isn't gonna grow. It's just those key little things like that that help you grow your Instagram, and I got 5 tips for you guys today. So the first tip, one of the most important tips, is consistency. Like I said before, consistency is key through business, through anything. You have to post consistently. I recommend posting 3 to 4 times a week. If you can do more than that, I just don't recommend posting every day. You'll saturate your Instagram and people just will get annoyed with you posting every day. You want to give some time for people to miss you, but also not have them miss you too much where they're like, where'd she go? So first thing is consistency. Number 2 is looking at your insights. Your insights is built for your Instagram. It shows you who's on your Instagram. It shows you what time to post. It shows you who looked at the post, what posts get the most likes, what gets the most views. So it tells you a blueprint of what people like on your Instagram. So if you're not looking at your insights, and to get your insights, you definitely have to be a business profile. But you can be a business profile without having to show yourself as a business profile. That's what I do on my current Instagram. You guys might not, when you go on my Instagram, it might not look like a business profile where it says blogger, Instagrammer, you know, where it says what you do. That's because they have a new thing where you can make yourself a profile without having to give the deets out. So it doesn't look like I'm a business profile. It shows that you're a person, but you still get the same tricks and things that the business profile lets you have without having everybody know that you're a business profile, which I really like that Instagram did. So you guys gotta have the insights to tell you where it tells you everything that you need to know. Number 3 tip is Instagram was bought by Facebook. Facebook is more centered towards family and friendships. So if you are a business profile, you need to show yourself more as a friend business profile. You need to be more friendly to people, because that's the only reason they're going to promote you on your Instagram page. If you're posting stuff that doesn't look like people are going to look at it, or your friends aren't going to like it, or your friends are not going to comment, they're not going to promote that picture to the top. They're not going to let everybody see it, because they're saying nobody's liking this picture, so we don't want to keep this up on the feed, because that's going to make people go away from the Instagram. So, for how do you get people to like your pictures or comment on your pictures? You have to be friendly to other people. You have to like other people's posts. You have to comment on other people's posts so people can want to post on your page, because they're like, oh, she shows me love. Why won't I? So I'm going to show her love. And So commenting and being interactive on other people's page makes it seem to Instagram like, okay, that's your friend, so I'm gonna promote your pictures on her feed so that she sees your feed because you guys are friends. You comment on each other's pictures, you like each other's pictures, so of course you guys want to see each other's posts. So boom. That's how you get on people's feed more. That's how you're always on the top of the timeline because people are seeing it more. People are liking you. And then when people are commenting, number 4 tip. When you're commenting, you have to make sure that you're making Instagram see that you're like somebody's friend. So if somebody is commenting on your page post, you should comment back on their post. And you need to at least comment 4 things. No emojis. 4 actual words so that it makes it seem like this is an actual person looking at a page and looking at somebody's post. So if they say, so that could be anything like, thanks, I really like your picture. This is a really cute picture. Cute. You know, just awesome photo. I really liked your picture. You know, make it just, you don't have to put a lot of thought into the comment. You can just put something, but make sure it's 4 words. The emojis don't really work, but if you still do it, that's still good to comment back on it, just so that Instagram sees that, okay, these are your friends, they're watching it, I'm gonna promote on your page. Very key tip, very important tip. It is a lot because you have to be on Instagram a lot to comment on a lot of people's page, to like people's page, but it's worth it in the end. You'll grow your account, you'll get a whole bunch of followers for free without having to pay. So you have to put in the work to get the work. Okay, number 4. You need to have quality pictures. You need to have good lighting pictures. You need to have good comments. Good captions. If you're not gonna like the picture, why would anybody else like the picture? And it's really about lighting. Like, I have an iPhone 11 Pro. I used to have the X. Literally, I take pictures on my phone all the time, and I just make sure that I either have the flash on, I'm in golden hour, which is, you know, when the sun's at this peak, and I'm taking pictures outside. I'm always smiling. Instagram likes teeth. If you're not smiling in most of your pictures, I just want you guys to do this test. Go on your Instagram and look at all the pictures that you're smiling and see if you have more likes. Majority of my pictures that I'm smiling in, I get the most likes. People like to see somebody happy. They want to see somebody in good spirits. If you're mean mugging in all your pictures, if you look like a mean girl, nobody's going to be like, oh my gosh, let me like this picture. She look mean. If you're smiling and looking happy, of course people are going to like you. They're going to be like, wow, she's good pic. She's smiling. Her teeth is nice. You know, something like that. So definitely make sure that you're smiling. You got good lighting. You know, I really recommend, I usually take my pictures from head to thigh area. I keep it into this frame. But I want to start showing more so of my whole fit. So I'm going to try to figure out how I can get my feet in it without having it in the same proportion. Like, you need to have like really this part of your body. You can't see, but I'm touching my thigh, but I don't know why, but that's just why Instagram is the way it is. I'm just telling you the tea. That's all I know. I can only tell you what I know. I grew 10K in a month, and this is what I did. I'm just telling you what I gotta do, what I did. So don't hurt me. Don't shoot the messenger. You know, I'm just telling you what I do. Just telling you what I do. 5th thing that I do to grow my Instagram, it's not, I won't say it's the most important thing, but it is something that I do, and I know it grows my Instagram account. Is getting on live, showing people that, hey, I'm an actual person. Hey, you can come watch me. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot one of the biggest things. We're gonna go back to it. We're gonna have 6 tips. Okay. But yeah, 5, getting on live, showing people like, hey, I'm me, being goofy, being happy, just showing, like, I usually get on live and show myself cooking, just to, you know, talk to people, get to know them, whatever, boom, boom, boom. That's one thing. Number 6, big Google tip. Forgot to mention, this is one big important thing. You need to post videos on Instagram. I'm not saying IGTV. I'm talking about just a 30-second video. You can do thrillers, you can do TikToks, post them. Because videos circulate more than pictures nowadays, because I don't know why, but they do on Instagram. And you'll get more insights. You'll get more people viewing your profile with a video more than you will with a picture for some odd reason. Like, I can get 10,000 views on a video in like 3 hours, and I won't get 10,000 likes. 10,000 likes will come for me in, like, if it's not a bomb picture, it'll take maybe three a week or 2 weeks, 3 weeks to see that picture get to 10,000 likes. But a video will get 10,000 views, so you'll get more people viewing your Instagram. People say hashtags. I'm not a fan of hashtags. I think they look messy. I don't think they don't attract a lot of people to my page. But you guys can definitely still do hashtags. And just learning the algorithm, watching videos like this will help you grow your Instagram because they're giving you tips. They're telling you what you need to do. And that's really what I did to grow my account from really, I was sitting on 59K for like 3 months of last year, and now I'm at 67.7, and it's still growing. So yeah, that's really how I did it. If you guys like this video, definitely like this video. If this video helped you guys out and you guys are using these tips and you guys are seeing a growth in your Instagram, definitely comment down below. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I have a great time with my life, and I want to share it. Greatness is not this wonderful, esoteric, elusive, God-like feature that only the special among us will ever taste. You know, it's something that truly exists in all of us.